Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Today in this class we are going to read unit 2 means section 2 of the same chapter, the world of business. This world of business chapter is having 3 sections. First section was how to write down a winning resume. Second one is some samples of advertisement, and the samples of advertisement is having 2 units. Okay, B1 and B2. Understood? So let us read B1. So here what is written? Okay. So many times you are visiting outside, there you are remaining in a hotel, might be 5-star hotel or might be simple lodging. But why? Why do you select that particular one? Because it did attract you. Yes or no? Might be its caption, might be the people, might be the behavior of the hotel staff, whatever might be the reason, but you like that one. That's why you do pay a visit to there. So here to some extent same thing is being mentioned here. It is mentioned in a box, it is being written, I have finally found a hotel that treats me like a man. It means the person who is speaking is not a man, might be a lady. What might be? Must be a lady. That's why it says mentioned, I have finally found a hotel that treats me like a man. Means here gender bias is there. Men are being given different treatment in hotel, women are also being neglected. That's why the lady is speaking that finally she did find a hotel that can give her good accommodation and good comfort. Let us see what is written. What I am really trying to say is that they treat me like a person. But the most important thing is that she has mentioned that she is being treated as a human being in this particular hotel. A rather overused phrase, I agree, but other business women will know what I mean. And in our society, women are being regarded as an inferior people. They are inferior. They are not having any match with the male. So here the person is speaking that it might be an overused phrase, but she can clearly mention what does she mean. If I am in the restaurant, there is none of that over effusive welcome followed by a table behind a pillar or near the kitchen door. And what is she speaking? Whenever she was, previously she was remaining in a hotel, she was getting her table just behind the pillar, means unnoticed place or near the kitchen door. I don't have to take my briefcase into the bar either to prove all I want is a drink. And here she is speaking that there is no need to take her briefcase, that express that she needs a peg, she needs drink. When I go to my room, there are some little extra touches that make me feel specially welcome. It's not simply the softer decor, and in the room there are some special thing which makes her comfortable. Leela have thoughtfully provided a hair dryer and makeup mirror, things I appreciate away from home. And as is the lady, she is being provided with a makeup mirror as well as a hair dryer, because she left all these things in her home. She can't take these things everywhere, but now she did get it. And they can even come up with an iron or a pair of thighs at a moment's notice. At the same time, it is also mentioned that she can get everything that she desires from the hotel. So I always stay at Leela Hotel whenever I can. That's why she is always living in Leela Hotel only. Whenever she was paying a visit there, she was remaining in that particular hotel. I like their friendly and business-like attitude towards me, and she does like their business-like attitude as well as friendly attitude towards her. And speaking as a woman, you can't stay fairer than that. And speaking as a woman, you can't get much more good things than this one. Leela Hotels International. Okay, nobody works harder to make you stay better. This is the caption belonging to Leela Hotels International. Nobody works harder to make you stay better. So did you understand? This is one of the advertisements. So here what is mentioned, that she is a lady, she is going on a business trip, means so many times she is going on business trip, but nowhere she was being received a warm welcome that she did get at Leela Hotel International, and she got everything that she desired, and she also liked the friendly attitude as well as the business like attitude of the staff of the hotel. That is why whenever she was going there, she was living in the same hotel, and she has told that you can't find such type of hotel anywhere else. Okay. This is the advertisement. Okay. This is in B1, B2 is also there. So, text B2. So, the first text is about a advertisement on a hotel, and what is that? Hotel's name is Leela Hotels International. Okay. Now come to B2. Will Russian tanks roar across the plains of Germany? Question mark. Will crisis erupt somewhere so remote we all have to scour maps to find out where it is? Will one of our NATO allies can call for moral support on its border? Will we be asked to join an international peacekeeping force to separate the sides in a civil war? Frankly, your guess is as good as ours. The world is so unstable, it could go critical at any time without so much as a warning light. This is why we have made the army much more mobile, and why we always try to recruit the type of young man who can add calmness and good humor to a tense situation. Now we need another 900 young officers whom this man will follow if necessary to the ends of the earth. Understood it? What is written? It is an advertisement on job. Army Force of Germany. Okay. So here means before joining army, number of questions are coming to their mind. Will the Russian tanks will cross the plains of Germany? Means will Russia take over Germany? All this thing. And shall we go on a meeting, and shall we have to arrange, shall we have to join the international peacekeeping force in order to separate something from something else? And here means number of questions are there. So, whenever we are thinking to join army, we are also thinking, shall we have to go to war, how many days we have to stay there, either we will remain alive or not, etc., etc. So, here this is the question that is coming to the mind of people. And then it is mentioned that the army officials, they want that army should be quite mobile, means quite bit relaxed. Okay, that is why they wanted 900 young officers and who are in good humor, who can erase the tense situation. And it is mentioned those who can add calmness and good humor to the tense situation, and we want 900 young officers whom others will follow. A job with no guarantee of success. Then the complete chapter is the advertisement. Second thing is being mentioned, a job with no guarantee of success. We can't give the guarantee of success because it might be possible that after joining of 2 or 3 days you may die in the war. Chances are there, yes or no? So, there is no chance of success. You may well argue that your joining the army would not have saved the one life in Afghanistan. You might not be able to save a person, save a life. We would go further, it might not save anyone's life including your own. It might be possible that you can't save anyone's life including your own life. You also can't save your own life. On the other hand, it might, and on the other side, it might save. It might, if enough like-minded men join with you, help to prevent a nuclear war. But if same mentality people join the army, then definitely we can eradicate, we can prevent a nuclear war. And it might, just might, hold the world together long enough for the powers of freedom and sweet reasonableness to prevail. Some hopes, perhaps, but the alternative is no hope at all. So, there is the hope that there might be peace in the world, there might not be the need of army, and you can change it, you can prevent the nuclear war also, but it might not be possible. There might be war, there might not be war, means 50-50 chances are there. So, in this situation, if you are interested to join army, come and apply. This is the thing. Means if you desire for success, for a happy prosperous life, don't join. but if you are ready to die at any point of time, come and join. There is no guarantee that you can save a person's life, but you also can't save your own life, then also come. There is no guarantee of success. You should not dream, nothing should be there. Hoping for the best, preparing for the worst, but we have to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Worst situation, army, you have to remain hungry for 2-3 days. Worst situation. For 10 days also you have to live on water only. This is the situation that you should prepare for yourself. Means you have to mentally should be prepared that in the worst situation also I will be there. There might be the chance that you should not remove your shoes for 1 month. Okay. So in this situation also you have to cope up. Understood the point? So for the worst you have to prepare, but you have to expect best result for your troop. Your part in this will be to prepare for a war. Everyone prays will never happen. And what will be your role? That you will be prepared for a war. The war that everyone pray that it should not take place. Everyone wants to prepare, everyone wants to prevent the war, but you should prepare for the war. Depending on the job you choose, you will rehearse battle tactics in Germany. And basing on the, depending on the job you choose, you will rehearse. You have to do the rehearsal in the battle tactics, battle technique in Germany. Confront heat in Cyprus, Belize and Hong Kong, and you have to confront the heat also. Means whatever the climate it is, you have to continue your training. And heat of a different sort in Netherlands and in Northern Ireland. You have to, not Netherlands, Northern Ireland. In Northern Ireland, heat is of different type, that also you have to face. You will practice, repair, train and try to forge links with your men that will withstand fire, and you have to practice, you have to support the people and they have to stand against fire also. Occasionally you may be asked to clamber into a VC-10 on the way to, VC-10 might be a war weapons or war vehicle something, on the way to somewhere like monitoring a ceasefire in Rhodesia, and you might be sent to seize a fire in Rhodesia, means you might be sent for different work also. But more often the worst enemy your man will face will be boredom, when it will take all your skill as a teacher and manager to motivate them. But the worst enemy is boredom, getting bored, and at that time you have to prevent that boredness among your people. Then it will be difficult to remember that you are still protecting your country and all you love the most. And at that time when you people will feel bored, when they will be feel frustrated, this is the worst time that an army can that an enemy can defeat you, and at that time you have to handle your people. An easy question to dots. The question is, are you prepared to take a job on for 3 years or longer? And either you are going to take the job for 3 years or for more periods of time. No one will accuse if you don't, and you will not be blamed if you don't want to do the job for a long period of time. Women won't send you white feathers, and children won't ask you what you did in the world, and no one will ask you. Even women will not send you the white feather, and even kids, they will not ask you what you did in the world, because that is your choice. All you ask is that every young man at least takes the question seriously and answer it to the satisfaction of their own conscience. But the thing is that every young man should think the question and they should answer it seriously according to their own conscience. Means you have to listen to your own conscience, don't listen to anyone else. This year we are bound to get our 900 new officers, and this is the way in which we want to get our 900 new officers. If you are undecided but want to take the matter a stage further without committing yourself in any way, write to Major John Floyd, Army Officer, Entry Department A12, Lansdowne House, Berkeley Square, London, WX6AA. This is the address that you have to send to the, means you have to send your resume and you have to try to focus on your job. If you are interested, then only you have to apply. Tell him your date of birth, and what else you have to send? You have to write down your date of birth, your educational qualification, and why you want to join us. So, what there you have to mention? You have to mention there your date of birth, your educational qualification, and what is the reason that you want to join in army. These are the questions that you have to answer there. He will send you booklets to give you a far longer picture of life, and they also will send you a booklet, and in that booklet a far long life picture will be there. Put you in touch with people who can tell you more about the career. At the same time, you have to be in contact with the people who can speak more about the career. Did you understand? So, this B2 chapter is all about joining the army, and here it is being spoken that no one will give you the success, nothing will be given, but still if you want to join the army, then you have to send your resume, send your biodata in the address, and what you have to mention? You have to mention your date of birth and what you want to do, at the same time your educational qualification and what is the reason of your joining OJ. Understood? So, this is the theme. So, here in this unit some samples of advertisement. There are two advertisements. One is the Leela Hotels International, second one army job. Okay. So, first one is advertisement on a hotel, second one is advertisement on an army job. Okay. Understood? Thank you. Have a nice time.